2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, plug-in electrical fast charge. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.